In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot. Emojis are a simple way to make your messages feel more friendly, personal, and on brand. They can help you soften the tone of a reply, show empathy, or just make communication a little more human, especially when you're chatting with customers. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the exact steps to find your conversation inbox and add emojis to your replies, so you can use them confidently in your day-to-day work. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on your main HubSpot dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Here you'll see several main sections, and one of them is labeled CRM. Hover your mouse over the CRM section. When you hover, a small submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Inbox. This is where all your conversations, such as emails and live chats, are collected. After you click into the inbox, you'll see a list of your existing conversations on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to scan through and find the specific message or conversation where you want to reply with an emoji. Click on that conversation to open it in the main area. Once the conversation is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the message field. This is the box where you type your reply. Inside or just below this field, near the bottom left corner, you'll see a small emoji icon. It usually looks like a smiling face. Click on that emoji icon. As soon as you click it, a pop-up or small panel will appear, showing a selection of emojis you can choose from. You can scroll through the list to find something that matches the tone of your message, like a smile, a thumbs up, or a celebration emoji. When you find the one you want, simply click on it. The emoji will be inserted directly into your message at your cursor's position. You can keep typing text before or after the emoji, and you can add more than one emoji if it fits your brand style. When you're happy with your message and the emojis you've added, move to the bottom right of the message field and click Send. Your customer will now receive your reply with the emojis included, making your communication a bit more engaging and expressive.